body so you can kind of see what I'm doing. It's similar in concept, but instead of going back, our leg goes this way. Now, if this is as far as you can go, great, go that far. Your goal ultimately is to be able to touch the ground, not fall down like I just did, and then bring it up. So Shalene will have you bring your arm up and pull it in like this so that we're focusing on our arm instead of the way our booty feels. But let me tell you, girls, if you want to get a jump start and you want the firmness back there that I know you probably do if you're like me, that's the best way to do it. I call it a bikini builder because it will tighten that area, that problem area that most of us have. So then after we do the boulders, here, let me show you what the other side looks like so you know. We're going to go down and bring it up. This is a good one to go slowly through the motions on and then go regular speed. And you're going to do 10 of those. If you can't touch the ground, that's fine, but at least you have goals to shoot for, right? Okay, so after I do those, I like to stretch it out. The best way to do that, since you're already working lower body, this stretch feels so good after you started working out especially. But you're going to go down into a runner's lunge. Make sure that toe is in front of your knee, a runner's lunge. And then turn and reach up and look towards your hand. And hold that. Make sure you're deep in your stretch here. You can feel it in your hips, you can feel it in your back, but you're stretching out. And then slowly pull up and stand up. And then you're going to do that again on both sides, right and left. Make sure you shake it out and you feel loose. One of the benefits of that is, guess what? You guys know how I feel about cleansing. That workout, not only does it stretch you and keep you from injury prevention and build your core and things like that, it also is twisting and like wringing out some of those internal muscles. Any of these workouts that we do that we're turning and squeezing, when we're trying to get the good and bad choices all kind of process, that's an excellent way to keep your body stimulated, drinking lots of water, and to be able to do workouts that intentionally squeeze those organs and kind of wring them out. So that's just an exercise tip, but that's a stretch to do, and then a workout too. So then we're gonna go. We just got up from our runner's lunge. We're standing up. We're gonna do a flat back stretch. Here we go again, stretching. So obviously this is a classic. This is a good one. We're not gonna lock our knees. They're slightly bent, and we're stretching as far as we can. We're making sure our back is nice and flat, and we're stretching all the way around down the back of our legs. If you can touch the ground, great, touch the ground. But if you can't, you can just rest. Just make sure you're not like bending down to cheat or something along those lines. Okay, so we're gonna go from flat back. We're gonna walk it out to a plank in 3 counts. Hold that plank and come right back up. This is definitely a full body workout. And even if this is the only exercise you did out of the whole routine, this one you're gonna thank me for later. Thank Shalene Johnson, I should say. So we're gonna start off here. We're gonna go flat back. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3.